Cowboy beans. And we're going to do that to go with the soup. Now what I got is just a regular skillet. Take a little bit of vegetable oil, not a lot. Doesn't take much. Alright, and the first thing that we're going to do, I've got onion, smoked sausage, ham, 2 cans of baked beans, 1 pound in each can. I got Worcestershire sauce, my homemade barbecue sauce, ketchup, mustard, chili powder, Tony's, and butt rub. And with that, I mix a little ketchup and a little mustard, not a lot, just a little. So we're going to start off browning the ham and the sausage. Now you don't want real big pieces. I cut it up in little chunks, about like that. Now if you want to, I'm using ham because I've got ham. If you want to, you can use thick sliced bacon. Generally when I make this for other people, I'll go to a processing place we have, Sand Sings, and I'll get a pack of real thick sliced bacon, and it does pretty good. Honestly, I kind of like the ham better. That's my personal preference. Has a real good taste to it. So, since this is just for me and Patsy, we're going to make a small batch of it. Now you can make as much or as less as you want, depending on how you like it. All right, I think that's enough. We'll put the rest of this away, and then we'll slice up our smoked sausage. It'll go in next. Now smoked sausage, hey, I love smoked sausage. So if you're asking me if too much is too much, I'd have to say no, it's not. But anyway, slice it up about that thin. All right, we'll pour in our baked beans. Thought I had the camera on, I'm sorry. Now we'll let that simmer for a while, kind of heat it up, get it heated a little. All right, next thing we're gonna do is slice the onion. Now, generally, I saute the onion with the meat, but that's not a have to. It just browns it. All right, then we'll stir that up. Okay. All right, we put all that in and now cut it off, stir it. All right, we got that cut off. All right, now what we did, let me go back over it again. We had 2 tablespoons of mustard, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, about 2 cups of barbecue sauce, a teaspoon of Tony's, a teaspoon of butt rub, and a teaspoon of um, chili powder. That's what went in it. All right, so we fix to take this out there and put it in the grill. Let it smoke. All right, we're going to put it in here on the top shelf. All right, this is it. Cowboy beans. Let's see what. That's what they look like right there. Mmm. Good gracious alive, that's good. Cook time on that's about hour 45 minutes on 280 out there. I left it at the same temperature as Boston butt. Boston butt's just about done. So it's got that smoky flavor to it. Oh, and I did go back and put about a half of a cup or maybe a cup of brown sugar in it at the end. I forgot that. I thought about it just about the time I stirred it up the last time. So you can add that to it. All right, y'all, that's it. Cowboy baked beans. Some good. What you talking about? And easy to make, easy to throw together. Ingredients pretty simple. If you don't have a smoker, you can do it on a grill. Throw you a little hickory in there, or go buy some hickory chunks and put in it. I mean, it is delicious. Hey, y'all take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. First cooking video I've done. Uh, Trying to keep it simple. I love cooking with cast iron. Simple and it's easy. Remember what I always say, we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Y'all have a great day.